Lily Bell.
Spinning and it don't know when to stop. You said forever, babe, did you mean it or not? Hold on.
Alright, and we will for Lily. Start tayo, please.
But I can connect them if it ain't right, baby. You know I respect it.
Start po muna tayo sa first message. Galing po kanino po? Hi! Sofer. Saan ako po? Alright, let's start with Jaime. Happiest birthday to our Lily Bells. Enjoy your day. Have a blast and God bless as always. Mamaya na po siya mamaya na siya mag-thank you sa inyo. Next po. Uy. Brother Lily, happy birthday sa'yo. I wish you all the best in life. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay in love with Jonathan! It's your day. Enjoy it to the fullest and be safe. From Jose. Alright, thank you so much, Jose.
Please, you know I can take it. Counting the days, how many days till I can see you again?
Uy, so over na magkahaba-haba na parang happiest birthday to the most beautiful in my eyes, my Jolly Libby. Napakaswerte ko dahil ikaw ang lagi kong papasaya at pagtanggal ng pagod ko. Agoy! Enjoy your day and wish you many more. Always be happy because you deserve it. Don't let anyone ruin your day because it's yours. Piling ko ngayong kaarawan mo na manatili kang masaya, ligtas at patuloy na matupad ang lahat ng pangarap mo. Lagi akong nandito para sumuporta sa'yo at mahalin ka ng buong puso. Hindi lang ngayong espesyal na araw, kundi araw-araw na dadan. Bakit pati ako naiiyak, Jonathan? Oh, thank you so much, Jonathan. May next pa po. Madami po. Bakit pati ako?
Wow! Abot Pilipinas pagmamahal!
This is from Saint. Hi! Happy birthday, Celestic Lily. Your dance is fire. Keep slaying and spreading joy everywhere you go. Wishing you endless smiles, blessings, and unforgettable moments today. From Saint. Thank you so much, Sainty. Thank you so much. Hindi na siya ano. Uy! And this is from JMP. Happy birthday, Lily. Hope you have an awesome day. Break a leg from JMP. Thank you so much. Next po tayo. Maraming salamat. Super! Ang haba ha? This is from Friends Cutie. Happy birthday! Thank you so much, friends. Ayan nyo. Uy, this is from Marvin Sanity naman. Hi, Lily Bells. Happy birthday. Stay safe always. Stay slay. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo simula nung pagpasok mo sa TTM. Deserve mo lahat ng mga blessings na natatanggap mo ngayon. Happy birthday ulit from Marvin Sanity. Thank you so much, Marvin Sanity. Pinag-isipan pa daw niya yan. Pinag-isipan pa daw ni Friends yun. Super ka. And this is from the Celestic family. Usog kayo konti. Usog kayo. Sino? Cheers to another year of wonderful you. May this year bring you love, laughter, and everything your heart desires. Always here for you. Have the happiest birthday. Of course, it's from us, your Celestic family. Alright. of course, we're going to ask Lily and ask her opinion about this. Iyak na siya. Maganda ka! Maganda ka dyan! Sino nagsabi? Mamaya, mag-ano mo? Ayaw nga pala. Ano pala tayo? Isa-isa pala muna. Hello.
Lily Bells, hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday, more blessings to come. And we love you always. And alam mo naman na mahal ka namin. And hope you stay safe always. More birthdays to come to you. We love you always so much. I appreciate it that we be sisters, be Celestine girls. Yes. I love you so much, baby. Okay, yun na yun. Ayoko na paiyakin. Okay, sino ba sunod? Ayun. Mahal, happy birthday to you. And syempre, thankful kami na dumating ka sa amin at nakilala ka na. Summer naman, nagka-cry na dito. Na para bang, ayun. Lagi lang kami nandito para sa iyo no matter what happen. Kahit, bago pa lang tayo nagkakilala, ibang-iba ka sa amin talaga as in. Mahal na mahal ka namin and pag may problem, dito lang kami buong Celestic. And enjoy and stay positive and always choose to be happy. God bless you. I love you so much. So yan, and always be pretty dahil maganda ka naman na. And I wish lahat ng harap mo is makatupad mo. And ayun, more blessings to come. God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lily.
Hello. Ayan.
Lilia! May Lily mahal! Happy birthday, Lily! Sana enjoy your day. Enjoy your birthday. Ayun, sana magsama pa tayo ng matagal. Thank you kasi naging part kayo ng grupo ko. Thank you so much dahil nadagdagan yung kaibigan. Thank you so much dahil nadagdagan yung mga tunay na kaibigan ko. Ayun, happy birthday, Lily Bell. Siyempre, hindi ko naman kaya magalit sa'yo. Para parts yun ng surprise. Ayun, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. And ayun, mag-enjoy ka lang.
Hello. Happy birthday, our Disney Princess Lily Bell. Ayun. Alam ko naman since day one kung gaano ka open sa akin and thank you kasi never ka nagbago. Andito lang ako palagi handang makinig sa lahat ng ganap mo sa life. Mahal na mahal kita. Ano sabi ko, di ako iiyak eh.
Happy birthday, Lily Bell. Ano ulam natin? Happy birthday sa'yo. Lagi mong galingan. Salute.
Ako pala ang last na magsasabi. Ay, ako ang last na Si Opi Fox po. Poppy Fox. Huwag na, ayaw mo. Oo, sige. Lily, happy birthday. May mga times man na tayo na hindi tayo nagkakaunawaan. When it comes, hi coach, dito ka. when it comes, di ba, lalo na pag may sinasabi kami na dapat yung sundin, ginagawa namin yun is it's because we want you to be to do your best para mas maging better ka pa. Kasi ayaw namin na mangyari kung ano man yung mga nangyari before sa mga other. Alam mo, ang tagal ko na dito. Pero ayoko lang kasi na yung samahan kasi ng Celestic is ando na eh. Solid na eh. Sana hindi na maano yun, like, oo, hindi tayo perfect. Madami tayong pagkakamali sometimes. Pero, at the end of the day, tayo pa din na nagkakaintindihan. Tayo pa din ang nagsusolve. Kasi, walang ibang makakagawa nun kundi tayo lang. Kaya happy birthday. And sana, ang tawag dito, you stay happy always. Alam mo yan, madami nagmamahal sa'yo. Andiyan ang Celestical Boys. Nandito kami lahat para sa'yo. Kaya kung may mga problems ka man na anong tawag dito, may mga problems ka man, wag kang mahihiyang mag-open up. Kasi anytime, you can count on us, okay? We love you so much, Lily. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday again. What about you, Coach?
Bakit kayo nag-iiyakan? Charing! Nauna na ako kanina kasi hindi ko alam kung anong regalo kaya nagpa-cake na ako kanina. Happy birthday, Lily. Huwag na matigas ang ulo, ha? Sinasabi ko sa'yo, magkasama tayo sa... Matigas ang ulo! Alam ko naman gusto, pero syempre, limit tayo sa ganon. Happy birthday, Lily Bells. Huwag nang matigas ang ulo. Huwag nang mag-ano sa sarili, ha? Pag nagkakasakit, huwag pilitin kung hindi kaya. Hindi naman mawawala yung trabaho. Mas mahalaga ang sarili, okay? Happy birthday ulit. I love you, Lily.
And ngayon naman, papakinggan naman natin si Lily. Oh, kailangan, oo.
Throwing petals like, do you love me or not? Head is spinning and it don't know when to stop. You said forever, babe, did you mean it or not?
Thank you so much.